Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friends and the Honorable Mr. Abdullah. Here, me and my friend, my name is Muhammad Adib, and my friend's name is Fandy Ahmad. Here we will present our material about maintenance of palm oil during plants produce. Okay, let me present first. Palm oil, Elias Jack, as a crop of immigrants from West Africa, turns out that its cultivation in Indonesia has grown very rapidly and until now is still the main producer of state foraging exchange from the agriculture sector. Land that is agronomically appropriate and intended for the use of land for oil palm has had a positive impact in regional development and improving the standard of living of the community. Adib, 2007. To achieve the effectiveness and efficiency of fertilization in palm oil, fertilization management in the field must be pursued as optimally as possible, including routine and sufficient and balanced palm oil fertilization, fertilizer type, fertilizer dose, time and way of proper fertilization application, as well as more precise fertilization supervision. Until now, the understanding of good and correct palm oil fertilization management among the community is still minimal. Therefore, the author intends to make this paper with the aim of providing understanding and insight into fertilization management for readers, especially from among people, farmers, and plantation academics. What will we discuss? The first is effectiveness and efficiency of fertilization. Second is labor efficiency, and third, obstacles and constraints of fertilization. Okay, here is concept of 4T. There is a right type, right dose, and right time, and then right way. The first is right type. The basis of considerations used in determining the type of fertilizer include the age of the plant, symptoms of nutrient deficiency, land condition, and fertilizer price. Pulungan et al. 2003. And then right dose. Determination of the accuracy of pH fertilization thus based on the fertilization recommendation book issued by the research party. The basis of the preparation of fertilization doses is the result of analysis of leaves, soil type, nutrient status, and production potential. Adib, 2007 states that the recommended dose of fertilizer is based on various factors, among others, nutrients carried during harvest, nutrients mobilized in stem and smelt, and estimation of nutrient loss. And then right time. One of the factors that affect the timing of fertilization application is climate or rainfall. Adib, 2007 states that the difficulty of implementing timely fertilization is caused primarily by the occurrence of climate deviation or rainfall that is difficult to predict, namely the water content in the soil that is not in accordance with the requirements for fertilization applications. And finally is right way. The effectiveness and efficiency of fertilizer delivery is also influenced by the fertilizer method used. The way fertilizer source is essentially applied in the dominant rooting area absorbing nutrients. Okay, the next presenter is my friend Fandy Ahmad.
Okay, hello everyone. Here I will continue the presentation from my friend Adib. Okay, labor efficiency. Determining the amount of fertilizer labor has an important effect on fertilizer activities. It is necessary to save labor by complementing a more effective and efficient work organization and equipping facilities. Adi Wiganda, 2007. State that fertilizer sower must have adequate quality and capacity. The workforce is a permanent daily employee, so day work briefing is easier to implement. Obstacles and constraints of fertilization. Problems found during fertilization activities include 1. Fertilization store 2. 3. Slimming 4. Checking 5. Sorting fertilizer. Okay, conclusion. Fertilizer management in agro-estate launch phase in general has been implemented in accordance with the correct fertilizer standard. The garden has taken into account the recommended fertilizer provision and recommendation and has referred to the precept of 4T. Family, type, dosage, and manner. In terms of achieving the effectiveness and efficiency of fertilizer. Okay, thank you for your attention. This my presentation. I hope you keep healthy. Thank you.